Today I am taking you to the beach in Venice, and I'm going to be showing you a city that is more affordable and it's within the same vicinity of Venice. So keep watching because we're also going to be grabbing some lunch. We are inside the terminal. Believe it or not, this is a floating terminal. When I first got on, I thought that it was AI running the bus. I'm like, okay, so these Venetians are really stepping up their game. But this is the coolest thing in the world. It's actually a terminal. Let me show you guys. You see? And right there, that's the ramp, but this is a boat. And then this is where you catch the Vaporetto. And then with the Vaporetto, we want to go to the beach here in Venice. What stop are we in, Sandy?
Academia.
This is the Academia. So mind you, you're gonna do a lot of walking here in Venice. So we walk from the hotel here, and from the Academia, where do we have to get off?
Lido.
Lido. See where it says 1 and there's a doggy. That's how you know the line that you have to take. And everything is up here. See? So depending on the line, like line 2 is also here, right? Line 2 is also here, and then these are the stops. And then this one says line 2 in the front. See, and this is the Vaporetto. We're gonna go inside. See, this is the floating terminal, so you guys can see. There you go. And we're making our way. Line 1. No, that's a private boat. But look at the views. This is where we had, well, in front of where we had dinner yesterday. And if you guys remember, I had told you that they have gondola rides that are by the canals inside, and then they have the ocean ones, and these are the ocean ones. But if you want to get a really, really pretty view, well, obviously you could do both, but I think the canals are the best option, at least. I almost got hit by a car. So this is another island. It's called Lido. The stop is Lido. So we're going, that's where they dropped us off, and we have to go all the way to the end because that's where the beach is. Something I've noticed, there are a lot of restaurants here, and you see more cars here. See? Well, duh, now you see bicycles. But what I'm trying to say is, like, there are roads with actual cars. In Venice, my friends, everything 90% or like 95% is through water. This beautiful hotel here. Look at this. Wow. This looks like another country, and I don't mean it in a bad way. But it's very different than Venice. Venice is gorgeous, it's vibrant, it's alive. This one too, but it's just more, I don't know, it's more quiet. There are roads, and there are lots of hotels. And if you don't want to stay in Venice, because Venice could be expensive, you can check out the prices of this island. I've seen a lot of hotels, there are a lot of restaurants, and it seems like a really good place. And then you're also by the water. Okay, Okay, because of the wind, I might not be able to film with audio. This is the beach. I love the fact that they have food available and that there's a wide variety. They had Hispanic music going on, so that was awesome. I also really like the fact that they had umbrellas and chairs all throughout with access to the beach. The water was super cold and this was in the month of June, so keep that in mind. But if you're looking for the beach in Venice, this is the place. Look how calm this is. So peaceful here. Look, there's a market here. You want to get fresh food. Wow. Lots of veggies. We ordered some Coke. Original taste. And it's Italian. This was a little welcome from the chef. Look how good this looks. So, the chef graciously gave us these little breads. This is a hummus on top and then it has a drizzle. Sandy finds something different, but it's truffle. This has truffle in it and it's divine. Good. Really, really good. This has eggplant. It's really good.
Right. You guys live here now?
No.
Beautiful.
Go to Venice. Go.
We
went to
a
Florida.
few years.
This is what I'm gonna have. It's a dessert. And then this is the menu. This is what I had for dinner. They also have pasta dishes here. This one's the one I had. And it's really yummy. And then these are the wines that they have.
You can't, I mean, you cannot.
If you have kids, down the main street they also have this little park where you could bring them. It's like a lot of fun. Oh, there's more in here. Kids of all ages.
E tenersi per mano, dare lontano la
We just had dinner. The service was outstanding, like I told you guys. Two of the servers, they lived in Miami. They're from Venice. Then it's really, yeah, one is from Venice and the other one we don't know. But very, very nice service. The dessert was delicious. The appetizer was really good. The main course was good. But it's good quality food. Everything is fresh. And I like that they have so many options to choose from. And also, look, they have a place where they sell gelatos here. Yum, yum. So now we're gonna make our way to Plaza San Marco. And we're gonna explore a little bit more of the city. Tomorrow, we leave. So we have to fly from Venice to France. And then from France, we fly Air France to, obviously, to Florida. But this city, to be honest with you, is beautiful. We were talking to a gentleman there and his wife, and he told us that this is the best spot because he likes it, right? It's very calm. It's just a place where you can come and, you know, it's like a beach town kind of vibe, right? It's a little bit less intense than Venice. What are your thoughts, Andy?
Those are exactly my thoughts. If you're in Venice and you have extra time, I recommend you come to Lido. You could go to the beach, or you could just walk around. Like this is, they told us this is the main street, full with restaurants, and you could do some shopping if you like. And then you could zoom back to Venice on a taxi or a vaporetto,
Like us,
like Venetians
like
do.
us, like Venetians do. Let me tell you, so many people catch that vaporetto, and it's such a fun ride. Like I've been telling you guys in other videos that sometimes, depending on the stop, the vaporetto does get busy, and you are putting yourself at risk of coming across a pickpocket. But all throughout Venice, you have that risk of coming across a pickpocket. But I don't know, guys, like, to be honest with you, I haven't had any issues or anything, and we've walked around at night past midnight and we're fine. So here's the stop. They have bus stops. They have bus stops right over here, and then here is where you would catch the vaporetto, the water bus, and you will catch it to Venezia, which is over there. Oh, I think we're going. So great, I ate it again. Oh my god, I keep stumbling and falling, like, and it's always in front of crowds. Is that the vaporetto? So this is the vaporetto right now. Guys, look at this view. Like, this place is beautiful. Is this one? We're getting off the water bus. Look at that. Ciao! Ah! I ate it again. Oh my god. There you go again. It's beautiful here. Tonight is the last night in Venice, and it's beautiful, guys. I want to get a little bit closer over there, but I want for you guys to see for yourself how beautiful it is. So we're just gonna spend the night at Plaza San Marco, and then probably have a little bit of gelato, buy bread or something that we can eat early in the morning before leaving, because everything is closed. We're leaving like super early, but we're excited because it's not the last time that we're gonna come to Venice. We're in love with the city, with the people. Venice is definitely a city that you guys have to come to if you get a chance to come to Italy. Look at this. You see that right there? That's gorgeous. And in person, look at the water. Look at the water. They have live music. I showed you guys this section right there where they have live music. Live music. That's the cathedral over there. I gave you guys a tour. Told you the history of this tower. I took you all around Venice, showed you my hotel room. So if you guys have loved this vlog, I'm gonna end it right here. Please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell because I'm going to be uploading more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hello. So I want to share something really cool with you guys. Venice is beginning to flood. Remember this afternoon I showed you guys a video at Rialto Bridge, and I showed you guys that it was starting to flood. Well, it's beginning to flood. Tonight we're leaving, but hey, an experience. This is so cool. One thing is to see it in person, and then to see it in pictures, but in person is so much cooler. And by the way,